In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in Notion using a button so you can reuse the same structure again and again with just one click. Whether you're managing personal projects, organizing work tasks, or collaborating with a team, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to streamline your workflow and save serious time. First, open your web browser and go to Notion, then log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your Notion workspace where all your pages live. From the left sidebar, click on the page where you want to create your template, or create a brand new page if you're starting fresh. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the template button to live so everything stays organized. Next, click anywhere on the page and type / followed by button. From the menu that appears, select button. You'll now see a new button added to your page, and this is where the magic happens. Click on Add Action for that button, then choose Insert Blocks. This option allows the button to automatically add pre-made content whenever you click it, which is perfect for templates. Once Insert Blocks is selected, start adding the blocks you want in your template, such as headings, checklists, tables, or text prompts. This could be a meeting notes layout, a project outline, or even a daily journal format. After setting everything up, click Done to save the action. After that, you should be able to click the button anytime and instantly generate your template without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to rename the button to something clear like New Meeting Notes or New Project Template. Taking this extra step keeps your workspace clean and easy to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create reusable templates in Notion easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who use Notion. Why not make someone's day easier?